Making Jello shots is a fun and easy way to add some excitement to your next party or gathering. To start, gather your ingredients: flavored gelatin mix, boiling water, cold water, and your choice of alcohol. The most popular choices for alcohol are vodka, rum, or tequila, but feel free to get creative and use your favorite liquor. Begin by boiling 1 cup of water. Once the water is boiling, pour the flavored gelatin mix into a large mixing bowl. Slowly add the boiling water to the gelatin mix, stirring constantly until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Next, add 1 cup of cold water to the mixture. This will help cool down the gelatin and make it easier to work with. Once the cold water is mixed in, it's time to add the alcohol. The amount of alcohol you add will depend on your personal preference, but a good rule of thumb is to use 1 cup of alcohol for every 3 cups of liquid in the mixture. Stir the alcohol into the gelatin mixture until everything is well combined. Now comes the fun part: pouring the mixture into individual shot glasses. You can use small plastic cups, shot glass molds, or even hollowed out fruit like lemons or limes for a fun twist. Carefully pour the mixture into each shot glass, filling them up about 3/4 of the way full. Place the shot glasses in the refrigerator and let them chill for at least 4 hours, or until the gelatin has set. Once the Jello shots are set, they're ready to be served. You can garnish them with whipped cream, sprinkles, or fruit slices for a festive touch. Just be sure to enjoy them responsibly, as they can be quite potent. If you want to get even more creative with your Jello shots, try experimenting with different flavors and alcohol combinations. You can mix and match different gelatin flavors with various types of alcohol to create unique and delicious concoctions. So go ahead, get creative, and start mixing up some Jello shots for your next gathering.